Everybody, it's time for the 100 subscriber giveaway. Thank you all so much for commenting on my video, and I have a drawing. Now, I don't have this on the computer. I actually have a drawing in here. So I've written down numbers on these papers, and then the numbers will coincide with your name in my notebook. So let's first, before we draw, let's show you what you're going to win. Okay, if you are the winner today, you can choose my wonderful dirt clod metal detecting hat. It's gray with red writing, and you'll also get the special pen and stickers and magnet for dirt clod metal detecting, and my other channel, Seize the Day. Okay, and let's say you don't wear hats or you don't want the hat, you could choose to have an 8x10 photo. So let me show you those pictures, and I'll tell you the number of the picture, and if you're the winner, you can tell me that number and like a description of the picture. So we have some great horned owls. So that's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a chucker, 7, pheasant, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is the buck, 14, 15, 16, Guam sunsets, 17, 18, beach in Guam, 19, the hummingbird in the lily, 20, the macro shot of a shrimp and a sea anemone, 21, Mount Hood, 22, rooster again, 23, 24, sunset in Guam during an eclipse. And the last one is a macro photograph of a crown of thorns starfish in Guam. They're bad. Okay, so you decide if you want the hat or an 8x10 picture, plus all the other stuff you get. Now, if you are in a foreign country, I cannot send the hat. I'm not sure about the 8x10 picture. So let's go ahead and have the drawing. And thanks again for subscribing to my channel. Oh, I don't want to look. Number 6. Number 6 is PD Sand Digger. So PD Sand Digger, please send me an email. I'll put the email in the description, and you could also leave a comment in this video that says you sent me an email, so I'll go straight to it and look. And, you know, give me your name and address, and tell me if you want the hat or one of the pictures. Okay? And I'll get that mailed as soon as possible. And thank you everybody else. Thank you everybody for subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you.